Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a weekday meal using my meal prep of previous video. If we have prepared food in the fridge, we can make dinner in no time and we can make bento in a busy morning in less than 20 minutes. What do you think about my meals here? Colorful and vibrant? All those dishes are balanced in nutrition and of course, it is so delicious. We can save time and money and could be healthier at the same time. Let's start with some dinner plate with rice. First, let's make a miso butter glazed salmon plate. We are using a salted salmon and blanched spinach, and I add one more ingredient, canned corn kernels, which is always in my pantry. You don't have to, but cut the salmon into two. Pat dry with kitchen towels and dust with flour. Heat your frying pan on medium and add a tablespoon of olive oil. Start cooking the skin side down and cook for a couple of minutes until the surface is golden brown. Flip it over and cover with a lid and cook thoroughly. When it's fully cooked, save some for later use. Add a tablespoon of sake for the rest of the salmon and a teaspoon of miso. Dissolve the miso, stirring constantly. Add some water if it's too thick. Add a tablespoon of butter for the finishing touch. This plate is inspired by Hokkaido dishes. They combine miso and butter frequently, for they have the best quality dairy product. Plate your rice and lettuce side by side and transfer your salmon you had just cooked. Continue cooking a blanched spinach and corn kernels in the same pan. Warm it up and season lightly with the rest of the seasonings on the surface of the frying pan. Spinach and corn kernels are also a staple combination for the butter and the miso seasonings. Spoon it over to your plate and good to go. Crumble the rest of the salmon for the later use and keep in the fridge. Next, teriyaki chicken plate. Transfer your marinated chicken into a plastic bag as much as you want. I think 4 to 5 pieces per person is a good portion. Toss in a tablespoon of potato starch and dust all over the surface. Heat your frying pan on medium and start cooking on medium-low with the lid. You don't have to grease the surface cause chicken thigh has fat on its own. If you are using a cast iron skillet, add a tablespoon of vegetable oil to prevent from sticking. Cook 2 or 3 minutes per side and cook until fully cooked or the surface becomes golden brown and bounce back to touch. Add a tablespoon of teriyaki sauce and toast to coat. Add more or less to your liking. Set your teriyaki chicken on the side and to there, place some of the cooked sweet potato and carrots and broccoli and cover with the lid to warm it up and while you are plating the rice and salad. There you have your teriyaki chicken plate. Now let's make easy rice bowl literally in a minute. We are using a chicken soboro and blanched spinach and flaked salmon. What we do is making a scrambled egg in Japanese way. If you're in a hurry, you don't have to make this. Chicken soboro makes perfect rice bowl. Mix well and start cooking on medium-low, constantly stirring with 4 chopsticks in this way, and you will get a very fine scrambled egg. If you don't have chopsticks, just use spatula and make it into fine crumb with forks. After a couple of minutes, it should look like this. You don't have to rush. Take your time to make a little tiny scrambled egg. We call this egg soboro. Let me show you how to serve in 2 ways. In a rice bowl and a bento box, transfer your cooked rice as much as you want. If you are interested in how much you can eat, watch my bento video. I put the link in the description box. Spoon over your chicken soboro and egg soboro and flaked salmon on the surface. Put your blanched spinach for the garnish. For the bento box, put the teriyaki chicken on top and Tsukemono on the side. This is perfect office bento, don't you think so? Easy and beautiful soboro rice bowl is done. Now let's make pork salad. All you have to do is pile up the prepared ingredients in a bowl. That's it. But I wanted to make it even more healthy. I add the onion to increase the efficiency of the nutrients. You can slice onion in advance, of course. The reason why I don't do this is the strong smell. You can dress with your favorite dressing, or you can make your own dressing easily with my sushi vinegar and teriyaki sauce. Add toasted sesame seed in the bottle and 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce and the same amount of sushi vinegar and 2 tablespoons of olive oil and shake it until mixed well. There you have an easy Japanese dressing. How can it be more simple? Next, make warm and comfort dessert. Heat your frying pan on medium and add a tablespoon of butter and add your sweet potato in it. Cook both sides until golden brown and add some maple syrup and a pinch of salt and add the cinnamon powder for the finishing touch. This is my favorite afternoon snack, and sometimes I put this in a bento side dish. Serve with tea or coffee. Last but not least, salmon ochadzuke. Have you ever heard of ochadzuke? I think this may be the easiest meal in Japan. This is so popular that we have a lot of instant ochadzuke mix in the grocery store. I can say one of the most primitive Japanese food. We eat this we have no time to cook or to finish the meal if you are in izakaya hanging out with your friends. Some people eat ramen noodles, but other people prefer because it contains no fat. Crumble your nori seaweed onto your leftover rice topped with your flaked salmon. Add a teaspoon of Kombu-cha powder and pour boiling water or hot green tea. And that's it. You can sip it or you can use spoon to eat it. How do you like my beautiful dishes? All of them takes only 10 minutes or less. And we can make many more dishes like this in the next video. In the meantime, enjoy the easy Japanese meal and give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up if you like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell icon to be the first to know my new video is updated. Follow me on my social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And go to my website for printable recipes. Thank you for watching again and I will see you soon. Bye!